The following video shows what happens when an idiot has a camera. Viewer discretion is advised. J.J. Abrams and Ryan Johnson were not involved in the making of this video. Any anger or dissatisfaction felt is purely coincidental.
They thought people were fed up with buttons. They thought wrong. This summer/winter, I give you my opinion on these gigantic touchscreens that are replacing all the buttons in our cars. Buttons. They're easier to find as you drive, easier to change things in your car as you're trying to concentrate on the road, and more than that, they're aesthetically much prettier to look at. Who thought it was a great idea to replace designed, engineered interiors with simple touchscreens? They're impractical, and they're probably unsafe. I mean, who wants to look at a touchscreen while you're driving and fiddle about just to change the temperature of your air conditioning? It sounds, or sort of it seems like to me, that car manufacturers are becoming lazy, and they think we don't care, or we're not gonna notice, or that we prefer the frickin' touchscreens. And it's about time we started telling them that we don't like them. Car manufacturers, be warned. My next car will be chosen not by performance figures, not by looks, but literally by the quality of the interior. And if the car, no matter how good it is, if it has a gigantic touchscreen instead of buttons, I'm crossing it off the list.
No idiots were harmed during the making of this video.